What should I pack for the Ha Giang loop? That is a question so many travelers have asked me. If you are wondering the same thing, then this video is for you.
What should you pack for the Ha Giang loop? You probably already know to bring cash and daily clothes, so let's skip that part and talk about the things many travelers don't know they need to prepare.
1. A small backpack. If you're riding solo, a big backpack is fine. But if you're going with a local driver, or if you're self-riding with 2 people on one motorbike, then each person should bring only one small backpack, about 20 at 30 by 50 centimeters. You'll leave your main luggage at the homestay or tour office and carry just that small bag during the journey. Avoid hard suitcases. They don't strap well and can slide off on bumpy roads. A soft backpack is much safer.
2. Swimwear. On your journey, you might visit waterfalls or rivers with emerald-colored water. It's clear, fresh, and truly inviting. So don't forget your swimwear and a small towel to dry off after swimming.
3. Mosquito repellent. Northern Vietnam is humid, especially during the rainy season. Most homestays in Ha Giang are surrounded by rice fields. So yes, expect a lot of mosquitoes, especially in the rainy season. At night you can sleep under a net, but in the evening, it's best to use spray-on repellent to protect your skin.
4. Sunscreen and sunglasses. If you're traveling from April to August, these are the sunniest months in Ha Giang, so make sure to protect your skin and eyes from strong UV rays.
5. Warm clothes, shoes, and gloves. If you're traveling from October to February, you should bring a good windproof jacket and long pants for October or February. During November, December, and January, the coldest months, besides your windbreaker, you'll need a warm winter jacket, closed shoes, and gloves to stay warm. Daytime temperatures can be around 13 to 18 degrees, and at night 8 to 12 degrees. But during the coldest winter days, some nights can drop close to 0 degrees, especially in remote mountain areas.
6. Probiotics and diarrhea medicine. Sounds strange, but it's actually very helpful. Many travelers fly to Vietnam, then take a night bus straight to Ha Giang. That means their first real meal in Vietnam is here, so their stomachs aren't used to the local food yet. This can cause stomach problems. Probiotics help balance your digestion, and if it gets worse, diarrhea pills can save your trip. Was this list helpful? Save this video to pack smarter and enjoy your Ha Giang adventure with confidence.
If this video was helpful, follow us on our social media for more Ha Giang travel tips. And if you are planning your adventure, Dragon Team here to help.
Explore deeper, live fuller with Dragon Team.